Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw a beautiful Scooty, step by step. Let's start drawing. First I'm going to draw the front of the scooter and the wheels. I'll give it another round inside like this. Now I'm starting to draw from this. And I'll draw a curved line down. Now I'm going to draw its seat. I'm going to draw it under the seat. And the wheel cover thing is being drawn now. And I'll draw the wheel now. A long line under Scooty. Now I'm going to draw its handle and headlight. Wow, awesome! Great. Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Okay, it's beautiful. Wow. Let's start coloring. I'm using yellow color first on the body of the scooter. Purple color on the seats. Red color. Wow, that's great. Peach color. I am giving this color to some parts of the scooter. Pink color in wheels. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!